The Miami Heat coming off that big win against the Celtics to stop the 16-game winning streak. They're going up against the Minnesota Timberwolves, a great matchup. Hassan Whiteside versus Karl Anthony Towns. Two big fellas going at it. Whiteside wins that battle. For the Heat, they hit 19 threes in this game, and they had 29 assists. Wayne Ellington gonna join the three-point party. And you could see his celebration after he let it go. I think he got a perfect release in real life. Ooh! Whiteside's got Towns leaning, stumbling. That's a big body. He moved Towns out the way. Andrew Wiggins with the putback slam. Nobody boxed him out. He's too athletic for that. Waiters gonna kick it outside to Dragic, who's joining a three-point party. It was raining threes for the Heat all night long. Whiteside, the beautiful spin move. And the bench is loving that one. They're twirling and dancing, looking like ballerinas on the bench. Towns is mad now as he throws it down. T-Wolves down by 10. They need some momentum. A dunk will do it. Wiggins hanging on the rim a little bit, trying to get himself going. Still in the third quarter. Dion Waiters gonna join the three-point party. He gets the bounce. A lot of his threes, he gets the lucky bounce, doesn't he? Wayne Ellington again in a corner. The Heat are extending their lead in the fourth quarter. Dragic is gonna knock one down. Too many threes, the Heat go on to win. And now they've switched the matchup. They got Lonzo. Oh, what's this? I got a little flies. I got Clarkson leaning. That's what you get. You're trying to hide Lonzo, so now you got to catch this ankle breaker. Now they subbed